It's a very exciting day today because I finally received a package which I have been eagerly waiting for a very long time. So let's go ahead and retrieve it from the porch. Now I just need a tool to open the box. You know, nothing can go wrong when handling a sharp knife with one hand and holding a camera with the other. Now brace yourselves, for this is pure beauty inside this box. Our first piece of loot is these keycaps, which should match perfectly with the treasure underneath. Ta-da! It's a keyboard. It's called the OG60, and I don't know why, but I'm head over heels in love with it. It's got a forehead bigger than my future, and you'll see what I mean in a second. Also, there's nothing quite as satisfying as opening one of these boxes that slowly slide open like this. Alright, let's see. We got some stabilizers and some tools on top. But let's be honest, all we really want is what's below. Ah, there it is. My precious. Look at that forehead. Would ya? It's massive. But in all seriousness, this is the OG60 keyboard, and it has that classic IBM keyboard vibe, which I just can't get enough of. It even has this neat brass weight on the back. Inside the box, there's also an FR4 plate, a polycarbonate plate, or maybe it's a palm one, and this fancy PCB. But before we set it up, I need to go downstairs and grab my trusty old keyboard. This is my current personal favorite keyboard, and I've been switching back and forth between this and the Angry Meow Compact Touch. But what I'm going to do is harvest the Oil King switches from this purple one because they're all broken in, and Oil Kings are just the best. Plus, they're my favorite switch. Now that that's done, let's get those stabilizers ready. I'm using the stock KBD fan stabs because why not, and unfortunately I do have to clip and lube them. So let me do that quickly. I'm using 205G0 lube for the stabilizers and also this brush, which is the best lubing brush ever. You can get it at Danekeebs with code Cottle for a discount at checkout. With that done, I just need to put them into the board and test them. Well, perfect. They sound perfect. Oh wait, I did forget to add foam inside, so let me do that real quick. And yeah, I know, foam, ew, but I like it, shh. Alright, now to put the switches in. So let's take a quick moment to inspect the placement of these switches. All of these switches look perfectly normal, right? And then all of a sudden, sideways? Oh wait, now you're upside down. And that's not all, there's even these. Alright, now onto the final stretch. Putting everything onto the board. First, looks like we gotta screw this little daughter board into the case. And now we throw all the gasket things onto the plate. Oh yeah, this thing can also be top mounted, but I'm choosing to gasket mount it. Throw all the foam in there, carefully place the frame back on, and screw it back together. And with all that done, it's finally time for the keycaps. I decided on these PVD fan set called the Ocean Predator, or something kind of around there. And it comes in this plastic box, which for some reason confused me as I'm trying to struggle to get it open here, but it's literally just a lid. Oh. Alright, now we slap all those keycaps on there, and wowza, this thing looks really good. And it's even got that prominent forehead and a cute little BMO in the corner. Very nice. But also, the sound is fantastic.